Welcome back to Estate Orbit. Imagine owning your own farmhouse in a peaceful state in America. Open land, fresh air, and a price so low you might not even believe it. In today's video, I'm going to show you some dirt cheap farmhouses in Virginia that could be a great opportunity for you. And here's the crazy part. As the video goes on, the prices keep dropping, but the deals get even better. And the most interesting thing is, this isn't just a random list. I've done deep research to find these properties, not just by browsing online listings, but I've actually spoken with multiple agents personally. Yes, in some cases I even approached them as a real buyer to get accurate, ground-level information. If you're a regular viewer of our channel, you already know how much effort goes into making these videos. So make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn the bell icon to all so you never miss an update. Most of Americans think that buying a farmhouse means dealing with prices in the millions or at least $500,000. Because according to rapidly rising real estate price reports, it feels like everything has become unaffordable. But in this video, I'm going to show you some amazing, affordable farmhouses. So make sure you watch till the end. And as you continue watching, you'll notice that the prices keep getting lower and lower. So if you think buying property in the USA is difficult, this video is going to completely change your perspective. Let's get into it. Alright, so let's start with the first property on our list. And honestly, this property alone will give you an idea of the kind of deals you're going to see ahead. So this property is located at 3110 Jameson Mountain Road, Covington, Virginia. Here, you get a true countryside lifestyle. To reach this property, you have to pass through scenic mountain roads, which already give you the feeling that this place is all about nature, privacy, and an open environment. This house is surrounded by mountains from all sides, meaning you get 360-degree mountain views. No matter where you stand, whether it's the front yard, backyard, or near a windows, all you see around is nature. Now let's talk about the house. This is a single-family farmhouse-style home built in 1941. But the special thing is that it has been completely remodeled. That means you get the charm of an old farmhouse, along with the feel of a modern home. The exterior has a classic Cape Cod design, which gives it a traditional American farmhouse look. The color combination of the house is clean and modern, and the entire structure looks very well maintained. At the front, you get a covered porch where you can sit and enjoy your evenings peacefully. On the side, there is a large wooden deck, which is one of the major highlights of this property. You can sit here and enjoy nature. The house is approximately 2,409 square feet in size, and the property sits on about 0.7 acres of land. That means you're not just getting a house, but also a good amount of open space that you can use for gardening, small farming, or other outdoor activities. Now, let's move inside the house. The entire home has new flooring luxury vinyl plank, which looks modern and is also easy to maintain. The walls have new sheetrock, new trim, and fresh paint. The lighting fixtures are also new, making the entire house feel bright and clean. This home has 4 bedrooms and 1 full bathroom. On the main level, you get 2 bedrooms, which is very convenient, especially for families or elderly members. On the same floor, you also have the bathroom and a laundry area, making daily life easier. The kitchen has been completely renovated. Upstairs, you'll find 2 large bedrooms along with a central family area, which you can use as a lounge, study, or entertainment space. There are also some bonus rooms in the house that you can use as an office, guest room, or storage. This home is equipped with a new heat pump system, along with ductless mini-split units upstairs, which makes cooling in the summer and heating in the winter very efficient. It has a septic system, and for water, a shared spring is used, which is common in rural areas and helps keep costs low. There is no HOA for this property, which means no extra monthly fees or restrictions. If you're someone who wants peace, privacy, fresh air, and nature, then this property is almost perfect. The price of this property is approximately $179,000. And at this price point, these kinds of trade-offs are expected. Overall, this property offers a great combination of space, renovation, and price. For around $179,000, you're getting 4 bedrooms, 1 full bathroom, and 2,409 square feet. making it a very solid option. And remember, this is just the beginning. As we move forward, the prices are going to drop even more, and the deals will get even crazier. So, let's move on to the next property. So, this property is located at 36,016 Widener Valley Road, Glade Spring, Virginia, which is a very peaceful and countryside area in Washington County. This area is known for its greenery, rolling landscapes, and farming culture. As soon as you reach this property, the first thing you will notice is space, and a lot of space. This property sits on approximately 11 acres of land, which is a huge deal in this price range. And it's not just empty land. It includes cleared open land, wooded areas, and also a private pond along with a small creek. That means you get a complete farmhouse lifestyle setup here. You can do farming, keep animals, do gardening, or even build something more in the future. This is a single-family manufactured home built in 1995. The exterior of the house is made with aluminum siding, and it has a metal roof that is less than 10 years old, which is great for durability and low maintenance. The house is approximately 1,604 square feet, which is considered a decent size at this price point. It has 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. And the best part is that everything is on the main level. That means it's a single-story home. The living room is very comfortable. The kitchen is spacious, with plenty of cabinets and countertop space. A good setup for daily use and family cooking. There is also a dining area connected to the kitchen, which makes the layout open and practical. There is no HOA for this property, meaning no extra monthly fees or restrictions. Now, the most important thing, affordability. The price of this property is approximately $149,000. And at this price, you are getting 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1,600 plus square feet house, and 11 acres of land, which makes it a very strong deal in today's market. Overall, this property offers a rare combination: a house plus huge land, plus pond, plus creek, all under $150,000. And honestly, deals like this don't stay on the market for long. And remember, this is still not the cheapest property on our list. So let's move on to the next property. Now let's move to the next property on our list. And honestly, this property is for those people who take land, privacy, and long-term value seriously. So, this property is located at 10,248 North Carolina 43 North Rocky Mountain. Now, this location is very interesting because it gives you the perfect balance of rural peace and city access. You are not completely isolated, and that is its biggest advantage. From here, the nearest city is Rocky Mount, which is approximately 15 to 20 minutes away. That means you can enjoy a peaceful countryside lifestyle and still stay connected to a major city whenever needed. This is a simple and practical residential structure, not very luxurious, but functional. The exterior is straightforward and low maintenance, which is ideal for people who don't want high upkeep. The layout of the house is practical and easy to use. You get 2 bedrooms and 1 full bathroom in this home, which was built in 1988, and the annual tax is approximately $980. The road connectivity here is good, which is very important for rural properties. You can easily access nearby towns. Grocery stores, gas stations, and local markets are available in Rocky Mount. Overall, this property offers a strong combination of potential, location advantage, and affordability. In this, you get 2 bedrooms, 1 full bathroom, and around 742 square feet of home area, along with approximately 1.54 acres of land, all for around $139,000. All right, now let's move to the next property on our list. And honestly, this property is for those people who want space, location advantage, and future potential at an affordable price. So, this property is located at 328 Spikes Drive, Madison, Virginia, which is a very peaceful area in Madison County. In this home, you get 4 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, and you also get an eat-in kitchen setup, which means kitchen plus dining combined. The living area is simple but functional. A good space for family sitting and relaxation. Now the most interesting part, the basement. This home comes with a partially finished walkout basement, which means you can use it as extra living space. The biggest advantage of the location is that this property is not completely isolated. Route 29 is just around 6 miles away, which connects you easily to major roads. Talking about nearby towns. Orange. Approximately 12 miles away, Charlottesville is a very popular and developed city, where you get malls, hospitals, universities, like UVA, restaurants, and entertainment. Everything. That means you can enjoy rural life while still having access to the city. This property sits on approximately 3.1 acres of land, which is a strong value at this price range. This is a single-family home built in 2001. The wraparound porch is one of the biggest highlights of this house. Just imagine sitting outside in the morning with a cup of coffee, surrounded by open land and nature. That's the lifestyle this property offers. And the best part, there is no HOA, which means no extra fees or restrictions. Now let's talk about nearby facilities. You get basic amenities nearby. Grocery stores, within 3 to 4 miles. Small shops, local restaurants, people who want a land plus house combination. Overall, this property offers a strong package. You get 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 3.1 acres of land, plus a basement and porch, all for around $125,000. So, let's move on to the next property. So, this property is located at 2019 Beans Road, Heathsville, Virginia, which is a quiet area in Brown Store. The best thing about this location is that it sits between small but important towns like Heathsville, Kilmarnock, and Reedville. That means you are not completely isolated. You get the peace of a rural lifestyle, and at the same time, basic facilities are not too far away. Also, this area is quite close to the Chesapeake Bay, which gives you a bit of a coastal lifestyle feel as well. As soon as you reach this property, you notice a calm and open environment. This home sits on approximately 2 acres of land, not too much and not too little. A perfect balance where you can enjoy outdoor living. Now let's talk about the structure and design of the house. This is a classic Cape Cod-style home, which gives it a traditional American farmhouse look. The house was built in 1939, and it offers around 1,887 square feet of living area, which is quite comfortable for a family. The layout is very practical and divided into 2 floors. On the main floor, you get a spacious living room with a wood-burning fireplace, which creates a cozy farmhouse feel, especially during winter. Along with that, there is a separate dining room that also includes a wood stove, adding more character to the home. The kitchen is well positioned for daily use, and next to it, you also get a laundry area and a small study room, which you can use as an office, reading space, or workspace. On the main level, you also get 1 bedroom and 1 full bathroom, which is very convenient for elders or guests. And upstairs, you get 3 more bedrooms along with another full bathroom, making it a total of 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, which is a strong setup for family living. This property also includes 2 basements. One basement is located under the bedroom area with exterior access, and the other is under the central part of the house with both interior and exterior access. And the best part, there is no HOA in this property, which means no extra fees or restrictions. Now, let's talk about the seasons. In summer, this place becomes green, open, and active, perfect for gardening, outdoor sitting, and farming activities. In winter, with fireplaces and the wood stove, the house becomes cozy, and the entire area gives a calm countryside feel. So overall, this property is not just a cheap house. It is a combination of space, structure, and future possibilities. In this, you get 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and around 1,887 square feet of area, along with 2 acres of land and no HOA fees, which makes it a great opportunity. So, let's move on to the next property. All right, now let's move to the next property on our list. And this property can be a good option for those who want a decent home and a good location while staying within a budget. So, this property is located at 8180 Chatham Road, Martinsville, Virginia. This area is known for its peaceful environment, but it is not completely isolated. Here, you get a balanced lifestyle, where you have peace on one side and easy access to the city on the other. In this home, you get 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, and the bedrooms are quite good considering the price. The biggest advantage of this location is its connectivity. Martinsville City is just 10 to 15 minutes away, where you can find grocery stores, shopping centers, restaurants, hospitals, and almost all daily necessities. This is a single-family home built in 1950, so you get an older but strong American home structure. The exterior is simple and low maintenance, which is ideal for people who don't want high upkeep. It offers around 1,200 square feet of living space, which is quite decent for a small family, or even for rental purposes. This home has multiple bedrooms, giving you flexibility. You can use them for family living, guest rooms, or even a home office. The bathroom setup is also practical for daily use. The living area is simple but comfortable. A good space for family sitting and everyday life. The kitchen is designed for daily use, with enough space for cooking and storage. It may not be fully modern, but you can upgrade it in the future to increase the property's value. Talking about utilities, the property has basic heating and cooling options, along with water supply and a septic or sewer system, which is common for homes like this. And one more good thing, there is no HOA in this property, so you don't have to worry about any extra monthly fees or restrictions. The price of this property is approximately $135,000, which makes it one of the most affordable options in this list. At this price, you are getting a complete residential home, decent living space, and good city connectivity. Overall, you are getting 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a total of around 928 square feet property. So, let's move on to the next property. Alright, now let's move to the last and best property on our list. And, honestly, this property is one of the cheapest deals in this entire list, but it has huge potential inside it. So, this property is located at 305 South Carter Street, La Crosse, Virginia, which is a small but well-connected town in Mecklenburg County. What makes this location special is that it is not completely isolated. You get a basic town lifestyle here, where nearby shops, restaurants, and daily essentials are available within walking distance or a short drive. Another good thing about this property is that it is close to US Highway 58, which makes it easy to connect to nearby towns and cities. This home sits on approximately 0.32 acres of land. It offers around 2,175 square feet of living area, which is honestly very rare in this price range. Inside the house, you get 3 bedrooms and 1 full bathroom, which is a decent setup for a small to medium-sized family. The living area is quite spacious, and natural light comes in through the windows, making the entire space feel airy and open. The kitchen has a basic structure but a good size, with cabinets and countertop space that offer strong potential for future upgrades. You can easily convert it into a modern farmhouse kitchen. The bedrooms are also decent in size, giving you enough space for furniture placement, and the high ceilings make the rooms feel even bigger. And the best part, there is no HOA, which means you don't have to worry about any monthly fees or restrictions. Now the most important part, the price, which is just around $79,000. Overall, you are getting 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, around 2,175 square feet of a large home, and 0.32 acres of land. And if you are ready to do a bit of renovation, this property can turn into a very strong investment in the future. So these were some of the best farmhouses in today's video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to do it and show your support to our videos.